Oh, that burned you good.
I'm out.
In this video of Revival Garage, we take on one of the most crucial and time-consuming tasks. Spot welding the entire rear end of the AAR Cuda. But as mistakes are made, tempers
That's out of
flare.
y'all's hands, bro. Shut up.
Will we be victorious as the sparks fly at the shop?
Ow!
Or will we throw in the towel?
Quit acting stupid.
My stomach, bro.
All right, so very happy with the fitting. I think the next move now is we're gonna start tearing it down, but we have to mark the holes that we're not gonna use. There's some holes on there that are there from the prior fitting that we're not using anymore because we had to tweak, you know, certain panels. So we need to plug weld those, keep the existing holes that we have because we're gonna have to put them back on so they can square up again and then start spot welding. Okay, so here we've marked the holes that we need to plug weld, and the ones that don't have a mark, we're gonna keep them there because those are the ones we're gonna use when we put the quarter panel back on the car. All right, so you may wonder what this is. This is copper. It's hot. And we use it on the back so that the weld stops there. The weld won't stick to that copper. So we use it as kind of like an end point or a shield, and the weld just stops there and it doesn't bleed through all the way to the other side of the panel. Yeah, we need to fix that hole. Yeah.
We need to clean all this, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have to sand all that. Hey, Caesar, let me see that? Let me see that pad? No, don't use. Sean, get him a 60 or an 80.
Well, what happened?
Yeah, those pads are chapas, bro. Use the 3Ms, bro. Those, watch, you're gonna see a difference. Yeah. That's really gonna smooth it out. There you go. Move it. There you go. Big difference, man. We're gonna have to take these off, bro. And we should take these off too. The trunk springs and the trunk brackets were sandblasted weeks ago. We forgot to protect them, and naturally, with all the touching, they got surface rust.
Especially right here, we put our hands.
Whose hands are those?
What? That's all of y'all's hands, bro. Shut up.
Right there, bro. Chubby hands. Then don't forget, Caesar, you need to go up también.
Careful, Caesar. Where are your eyes? Oh, nice. You didn't touch anything, man.
There you go.
You're gonna go that way, friend.
What are you playing or what?
Friend, you're scratching everything.
How do you know there was a way?
Really small.
I have a wrong angle here. Is that how you did it with this angle or no?
You know how to do nothing.
Before we install the deck filler panel, we need to install the bracket for the deck filler panel and the package tray. You got it, Caesar?
I don't know. Check.
So one up here and one down here. Go ahead and put it in there. I'll help you.
Go.
Oh, there you go.
Ow! Good.
Dale. That's good, Rennie.
You're going nowhere, right?
I got it.
You
You didn't need to be over there. He could do that by yourself.
I'm gonna help
You
him.
can start sweeping inside the car.
You wanna go to the?
Is it
I
touching?
don't think so.
What do you mean you don't think so?
Quítalo.
How could you not
Quítalo.
feel?
Yeah, those are marked. Yeah,
Yeah,
those are marked.
Caesar,
Yeah.
you're marking, bro. How could you not feel that, bro?
All right, so we pre-drilled the deck filler panel so that we can mark the package tray, so that way Caesar only sands what he needs to sand.
What happened? What are you doing?
You gonna get on top or what?
You turn off the fan?
Yeah.
I think it's better for you to get inside the car, bro. You're short enough. No te hagas.
Whatever works best for you, friend.
No?
Oh no! No! Oh! Oh my gosh!
It's right here, bro. It's just right there. Shut
Told
up.
you, go inside the car. You thought I was playing, right? But you don't listen.
What happened, dude?
I put
The
this
whole
down.
thing went to the bottom, bro.
I think we need to push it from the bottom up. Caesar, get in there and press it. Yeah, like kind of like if you're gonna do a deadlift, Caesar. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Here?
I think you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna walk from the inside.
That's what I said.
You ready for that one?
Ready.
Oh, we need to plug well this one, friend.
I'm down.
Hey, help him, bro.
I'm down.
Help him, Caesar.
Oh, it's a big one. Hold
There?
on. Yeah.
Hit it.
How about?
Hit it hard. There you go. That was beauty,
Yeah,
man.
sounded good. Should we do another one, Brittany?
Do another one right next to it.
No, right there. See that? Right there.
Hit over here, throw on the side.
¿Qué nomás dale? Oh, my stomach, bro.
That's what you get back to stupid.
Hey, Caesar, do this one. You got it. Go.
Like
Go.
that?
Yeah.
There you go. Right there. Go. There you go.
All right, get over here.
I can't.
Hey,
What?
come on, both of y'all. I gotta get up here.
What do you want?
Turn it on.
Hold this.
We can't carry you, dude.
No, I gotta get up here.
Put it over your shoulder.
Yeah, there you go. man.
Hey,
you need help?
push the, yes. Look, where's that?
That's fine. Wherever.
That's fine?
Yeah, right there's good.
All right.
Go.
It's good?
Yo. You got it, Caesar? You know what to do?
Right here?
Yes. Go. There you go. It's on. Going nowhere. Oh, you got me silver on the primer. Oh. Hold on, you friend. We're gonna have to take it off.
¿Entiendes?
We're gonna take it off. Because we need to sand all this. Sorry, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Careful, careful. Don't fall.
Look.
Caesar, help him. Making a jump.
Dude, I was falling back, dude.
So from here, this way, all the way down to here, the inside, and then all the bottom. That's working, man.
Yeah.
For smaller and more intricate pieces, we'll use the sandblasting cabinet and make sure we get into every little nook and cranny. Putting on the springs again.
After sanding and shooting primer on the trunk springs and brackets, we decided to put them back on.
We're gonna shoot some weld-through primer just to make sure that we cover all bare metal. Whenever you got two pieces of metal coming together and you're welding, you don't want bare metal in there because then you're gonna get rust. So the weld-through primer protects it, but at the same time, when you do a spot weld, that weld-through primer, it just gathers around the weld, so it really seals the whole area. It's great stuff, so that's what we're gonna do. Back.
My way?
Yeah, your way, big time. Oh, you okay? Okay, so we decided to hang the doors, make sure that the quarter panels are sitting where they need to sit. We just don't want to take any chances. I know it's going to take a little bit longer, but that's what we're going to do. We're also gonna have to put on the deck lid and all that, the drip rails, all that stuff. So me and Caesar are gonna go get the doors that are upstairs. We're gonna start fitting them, and then we'll take it from there. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Solo Drake, bro. By yourself?
Huh? Yeah.
You came by yourself, bro?
Yes.
What?
Can't get that light on my face.
Drake, we out, dude. What's up? Over here, baby.
Leave him alone, bro.
The guy drove 24 hours last night, bro. Like,
He's already rested.
there it is. All right. Let me put a screw.
Hey, get the light. One light.
What are you talking about? He's just messing with you, bro. He just wants you to do something.
Hold on, bro. Hold on.
This one, open it, Caesar, because that one's not gonna move, bro.
How about? Hey.
It's hanging, Sean. It's supposed to be right there, Sean.
Right there?
Yeah. There you go. Oh, yeah. I think
Whoa,
you're, oh, right
right there.
there, you're on, man. It actually looks good, man. This is an original door.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You okay, Drake?
Yeah. What's the other one?
You good? I got it right here.
You got it there? You're gonna have to hold it, Drake. I got it.
How's that look, Drake? Good?
Looks good.
Sean, it needs to come straight back, bro.
Vinny, needs to go pa atrás o pa arriba? ¿Qué onda? ¿Por qué? That's the way you talk, bro. Why?
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Hey, you need to go back. Just about a quarter inch. That's all I gotta say. I go home, dude, and I take anxiety medication now.
Okay, so there's a gap on this door. It looks good as well. This is the passenger door. Looks really nice. Oh, there, right there, right there. Oh, you got it, John. Push it in. Make it in. There you go.
I need you to spot weld easy, friend, and I need you to stay on the panel if you can.
Honestly, we're gonna take off that quarter panel. We need to make the holes there where the quarter panel meets the roof area, and then in here, the door jamb. Because we're planning on doing both sides today. About every 2-3 inches. Yeah, you can start there. Oh, I looked right into it. After securing the rear quarter panel, we used the screw holes that we left open to line it up so that it can sit exactly where it needs to be on the car. Yeah, that's good. There. All right, so your friend spot welded these right here, or plug welded those, and we also did this side of the door jamb, so everything looks good, really nice.
There you go. There you go.
Oh. Hey, Matagas, where you at? Where's the gun?
What do you want?
Come on.
Caesar, why don't you get it before you sit down?
No, I'm already here. I'm just over there poking your nose.
Yeah. If it's holding on the other side. Are you gonna go back? Caesar,
Yeah.
there's the one underneath the cell tab. No, that's okay. I think it did hold it, bro. Yeah, see, that one was good. So.
Like, you know, get the back.
No,
Or
you'll be fine. Right there, Caesar.
You're gonna have to stay in that line, Caesar.
Yeah, you're gonna have to stay on that line.
No, I'm trying to report an outage. I'm gonna power it out. Right there.
There you go. There you go. I don't want to
How
work
many
with
guys
that
quit
guy.
around you that they didn't like want to work?
everybody liked me, bro. Caesar!
All right, so I'm gonna take some time right now, and I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna try to grind down those plug wells that Ephraim did. The plug wells are there to secure the quarter panel to the car, to the frame of the car. The other ones are the one-sided spot wells that I did to mimic the spot wells from the factory. So I'm not gonna touch those. Those need to stay there. So when we paint the car and everything, you're gonna see those spot wells. It's gonna look pretty much close to what the factory was doing back then. But these plug wells, I need to grind them down a little bit more, smooth them out as much as we can. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. They were actually pretty good. Ephraim did a really good job. There was just a couple of them that had a little bit of a belly. So I just, grinded that down, smooth it out as much as I can. So we're pretty much done here. Let's move on to the other side. So with this yellow marker, I'm gonna mark out here where the plug welds are. Reason being is when we use the one-sided spot welder, we don't wanna put a spot weld on top of a plug weld. We don't wanna do that. We wanna put it on nice, clean metal, untouched metal. So that way we know to stay away from the yellow lines, stay away from those plug welds. All right, so pretty much done here. Now I'm gonna go get the spot welder and we're gonna do those one-sided spot welds. After I was done with the door jamb, Caesar and Chon started spot welding the rest of the quarter panel. They did the wheel well area, making sure that everything lined up well. And they also went on to do the bottom front part of the quarter panel that meets with the rocker panel.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, put one right in the corner. That's fine, just do it. Alright. Looks good, man. Ain't going nowhere. I get that. Yeah, 4th of July, bro. Keep going, man. Don't be scared. Hey, so this metal is original, bro. So we're gonna get sparks, so careful. There's impurities in there.
Yeah.
Woo! Nice.
John, you're gonna have to push this back up, bro. Ándale, ándale, ándale.
Go. Those are nice wells, bro.
What you doing?
Yeah. We smell burnt hair. Nice. All right, take that one off, Caesar. Can?
Oh.
Yeah, right there. The last one will be a plug well. Nice. Oh, that burned you good. Let me see that.
That one got on there. That one.
Yeah.
Caesar, you're gonna burn that nice shirt,
What's
bro.
wrong with you? It's
Probably has
already
holes
burned,
already.
dude. You got it?
I was.
We were very surprised on how well the trunk gutters went on. During the mock-up, they seemed a little shaky, but once we started spot welding them, they fell right into place.
You okay, John? Yeah. Look good, man. Very nice.
Because at night, you're gonna plug right here.
One more, Caesar, at the very end, if you can.
It's because there's another piece of metal sticking up right
All
here.
right, right there, yes or no?
No, right there.
All right.
There.
There?
Yeah. Hey, you moved it, dude.
Hold on.
Right there,
Push
go.
me.
How about
Yeah.
right there?
All right, so the car's pretty much done. The whole rear end of the car is spot welded, so we're excited about that. I'm relieved because it took a long time to do that, but again, we're just being careful. The next thing we need to do is we need to go in there and plug weld in certain areas that the spot welder just couldn't reach. We also need to do the roof, so there's a lot of things we need to do, but the whole back end of that car, it's permanently spot welded. You grab it, you move it, and there's no tweaks or anything like that. It's as solid as a rock, so super happy with how it came out.
Dude, I can't. Dude.
Oh!